Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna tell you about the best camera tips and tricks of Galaxy A35 5G. By the way guys, I am using A55 5G in this video, but as you all know that both the devices are completely same, so these tips and tricks are applicable for both the devices. So firstly, for checking up the hidden features of camera, just go to the camera here, and as you guys see, we have these options like fun option, portrait, photo, video, and in more we have a lot of features like pro camera, pro video, night, food vlogging, panorama, macro, slow-mo, slow motion, hyperlapse, dual recording, and single take. But if you're talking about the best setting or best setting for taking up the picture guys, so you have to go to the settings first, then scroll down, then make sure that this feature scene optimizer is enabled so that it will be automatically optimize the color and contrast of the picture. Okay, now scroll down. Guys, you can also use a watermark here so that your picture will be a benchmark or it will be a mark of your. Okay, just enable this feature, high efficiency pictures. Now scroll down again and make sure that auto HDR is enabled so that it will provide you the best pictures. Okay, so these are basically all the things. Now let's capture an image. Okay, so I am capturing this, and you guys see right now I am capturing on 50 megapixel. So let's see the result. Okay, you can also adjust the brightness from here guys. So as you guys see, we have these two results, and both the results are very good and it provides us the detailing as you guys see. So these are the best camera settings guys, but you can also use the macro mode as the image is too much close. So but make sure guys hold your camera 3 to 5 centimeter away from the object. Okay, but I guess it doesn't provide me the best result as compared to this one. So yes, I think at photo mode guys on 50 megapixel the result is very much good and accurate. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.